Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser for your NOKIA X10. And to do this, first let's open up our Google Play Store. Right here try to find Firefox in a search pool, but make sure that you're in For You or Top Charts and not the Children tab. Now let's select it and click on Install. When the download is finished, you can open the app. Right here you can also customize it, so choose a different theme, pick a toolbar placement. You can sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices with this browser. There's also privacy settings, and finally you should read this privacy notice. Now let's click on Start Browsing, and from here we can open any website. And as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.